Starting your day off on the right foot can have numerous benefits, such as accelerating fat loss, increasing motivation, and helping you to tackle important tasks throughout the day. For instance, choosing to stay in bed and watch TV or play video games immediately upon waking up can set the tone for laziness and lack of motivation, potentially leading to calling out of work, skipping workouts, and indulging in unhealthy foods. To avoid this cycle, it is crucial to establish effective morning habits that can aid in reducing calories, burning fat, decreasing waist size, and increasing drive and focus throughout the day. If you are looking to accelerate fat loss, having coffee soon after waking up can be effective. Burning fat is largely about reducing calorie intake, and coffee has appetite-suppressing effects that can delay and even negate feelings of hunger for hours. By decreasing the hunger hormone ghrelin and increasing satiety hormones like leptin and peptide, your appetite will decrease. Numerous studies have shown that coffee can help to reduce hunger and decrease calorie intake, possibly due to non-caffeine-based ingredients in coffee, such as phytochemical compounds called chlorogenic acids. Skipping breakfast can also be a helpful tool for reducing calorie intake and decreasing waist size. While it is recommended to have breakfast if you are trying to build muscle and stay in a calorie surplus, skipping breakfast can lead to significantly fewer calories throughout the day, allowing for larger meals later on. It is important to note that skipping breakfast is not the only way to set up your routine, and some people may benefit from having a nice breakfast or smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. It may take some time for your body to adjust to skipping breakfast, so it is important to give it a few days to adapt and see if it works for your preferences and body. Weighing yourself first thing every morning is another essential habit that has been proven to aid in weight loss and help to keep off the weight. By weighing yourself daily, you can track your progress and identify potential problems or factors that may be slowing down your fat loss. It is important to note that weight can fluctuate on a day-to-day basis, so it is best to take an average at the end of the week rather than relying on a single day's weight reading. If you want to continue on the right track towards achieving your weight loss goals, it's important to monitor your progress consistently. One way to do this is to keep track of your weekly average weight, making sure it continues to decrease over time. However, weight loss isn't just about the number on the scale. Measuring your waist circumference with a tape measure can also provide valuable information, as you may still be losing inches even if the scale doesn't budge. This could indicate that you're losing fat and gaining muscle, which is a positive development. It's important to remember that you can't improve what you don't measure. To ensure that you're tracking your progress effectively, you should also consider logging your food intake. This means monitoring your daily calorie intake and the type of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fat that you're consuming. If you're unsure about the calorie and nutrient content of your meals, it's highly recommended to start tracking your intake using a tool like MyFitnessPal. This will allow you to accurately track your calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. If you do decide to have breakfast, it's important to start logging your food intake from your very first meal of the day. This will enable you to keep track of your calorie intake more effectively throughout the day. While it may be tempting to eat a variety of different foods, it's easier to track your calories if you stick to the same meals every day. This doesn't mean you have to eat the exact same thing for every meal, but rather that you should have a few go-to meals that you rotate throughout the week. Another important strategy for weight loss is to pack your own lunch. When you prepare your own meals, you have complete control over what you're eating, and you can ensure that you're getting the right balance of nutrients. Even if you buy something that seems healthy from a restaurant or deli, it's likely that it contains additional fat or carbohydrates that you're not accounting for. Restaurants and food companies often add extra ingredients to improve the taste of their food, which can add unnecessary calories to your diet. Packing a high-protein lunch can help you stave off hunger and avoid making impulsive food choices when you're hungry. Hunger can cause us to make irrational decisions and eat things we wouldn't normally eat. By having a healthy meal ready to go, you can satisfy your hunger without compromising your weight loss goals. So, if you want to stay on track with your weight loss journey, make sure to monitor your progress regularly, track your food intake, and pack your own healthy meals whenever possible. Incorporating healthy habits into your morning routine can be an effective way to support your weight loss goals. One excellent habit to consider is completing your workout first thing in the morning. Many people who decide to embark on a weight loss journey may not already have a consistent gym or home workout routine in place. Without a definitive daily exercise schedule, it can be easy to become inconsistent, which is not conducive to achieving and maintaining results. Starting your day with a workout can help ensure consistency as the day goes on. Later in the day, unexpected roadblocks or fatigue may prevent you from finding the time or motivation to exercise. However, if you establish a habit of working out first thing in the morning, You can better guarantee that nothing will stand in the way of your daily exercise routine. Beginning your day with a workout can also increase your alertness, motivation, and drive throughout the rest of the day. The physical activity gets blood flowing to your brain and body, helping you feel more energized and focused. It is worth noting that if you are someone who can consistently stick to a nighttime exercise routine, that is entirely fine as well. However, if you often find yourself procrastinating your workout later in the day, it is best to get it done first thing in the morning before anything else. Another helpful morning habit for weight loss is to drink a big glass of water before anything else. After sleeping for several hours, your body is dehydrated, and even slight dehydration can affect your performance, energy, and mood. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps you rehydrate and experience all the benefits that come with being fully hydrated. It can also speed up your metabolism and decrease your appetite, leading to a reduction in body fat and a lower overall body mass index. Finally, doing your best to wake up when you are supposed to and immediately starting your day can help prevent procrastination and set a positive tone for the day ahead. If you hit the snooze button on your alarm, you may increase the chances of snoozing through your morning workout and making poor choices throughout the day. On the other hand, if you complete your workout first thing in the morning, you are more likely to make better choices throughout the day and have a killer mindset that supports your weight loss goals. Incorporating these 8 morning habits into your routine can help you make the right choices and ultimately reduce the size of your waist and accelerate your fat loss. Even if you do not incorporate all 8, establishing just a few of these habits can help you start your day right and achieve your goals with less difficulty. Thank you for watching. By incorporating these 8 morning habits into your routine, you'll be setting yourself up for success in achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, and starting your day off on the right foot can have a huge impact on your overall mindset and productivity. So, whether it's getting your workout done first thing in the morning, drinking a big glass of water, or simply doing your best to wake up on time, these small changes can add up to big results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on living a healthy lifestyle. See you in the next video. Make sure to check out our other content for more helpful tips that will help you improve your life, and see you in the next video.